I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution, where I talk about everything crypto daily. Before we jump into this video, I want to thank everybody for hitting that like button. Please hit that like button real quick. Leave a comment in the comment box. Let me know what number like you are. My goal for these videos every single day, I want to get to 1,000 likes a video. Please help me do that. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I'm going to keep you up to date daily on everything crypto. Jumping right into the market today in crypto. Sideways, or seemingly so. A lot of these altcoins have been just steadily climbing. Now, overall market cap of cryptocurrencies at $275 billion. Bitcoin at 97.20. This is a daily chart. So Bitcoin broke to the upside of this multi-month downtrend. Now it's in a rising wedge, which is a bearish pattern. However, this falling wedge target of 11,800 is still in play. Now, if we look down here on the RSI last time when it was overbought, you had a bit of a pullback. So here, a little bit of a pullback. Same thing here, overbought, pullback. Same thing here, overbought, pullback. Now, we're right there at that level. So overbought, potentially we see the same pullback and a bounce to support 9,400 potentially. If we do break to the downside at some point, this might take a week to play out, potentially. You know, potentially you're looking at a retest of 9,000, but overall still the bullish trend is just starting. This is just the beginning. Every time you get an impulse move higher, you get a little bit of a pullback, but now things are headed in the right direction. Moon and Lambos are over here, right? So, okay, here's the Bitcoin 4-hour chart. Now you've got this yellow rising wedge, okay, and then I drew this white rising wedge inside of it. The price action was at the top here, did get a little bit of a pullback. It'd be very bullish for the altcoins if Bitcoin just continued sideways for some bearish divergence that's looming. So we might see a pullback to this support level here about, like I said, 95 or 9,400. And saying, hey, these patterns are running out of room. Bitcoin 1-hour chart. And so I talked to you guys about this yesterday. You had this falling wedge, broke to the upside. Okay, then we got the price action, followed my arrows. I said if we get a retest at this, basically an SR flip, this is your buy signal right here, flipped and definitely pushed higher. Now it's retesting again. Just keep in mind this bearish divergence potentially here has already played out on the 1-hour chart. Bearish divergence on the 1-hour chart is not a big move, okay? When you're talking about the 4-hour, it's bigger. When you're talking about bearish divergence on the daily chart, it's going to be a significant move. I've got a cryptocurrency trading group. I've got 6 chat groups where everybody's calling out breakouts, posting charts, working together to trade this market. I've got 41 videos in a playlist where if you don't know anything about trading this market, you can essentially watch these videos. You'll be making profitable trades. It's that easy. The number one reason why people join my group is I post these profitable trading setups on a regular basis, and it's been playing out amazing. Like over the last 5 or 6 weeks, it's ridiculous the amount of profits that we've seen. So if you guys do want to join the cryptocurrency trading group, you want to pay in crypto, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. I'll get you set up and in the group today. If you pay with crypto for 6 months, you get a 20% discount. If you pay with crypto for the year, now you get a 30% discount and an additional month for free. If you do want to pay with a card monthly, month to month, you can do so. There's a Patreon link in the description. Now, this is NEBL BTC. It exploded up 71%. So huge gains, 71% in a very short period of time. Huge gains in the trading group. Shout out to David Hahn. He said, I'm new and I've already doubled my profits. I just came into the group. DB Hydro said, hey, Chris, thanks for all you do. You've created a great system for the average Joe to turn his or her finances around. Great job and great content. This person stated, wow, I'm up $16,800 in the last 5 weeks because of your midterm holds. Thank you, CBC. So Tron emailed me yesterday and they said, hey, Tron influencers, tomorrow, which is today, 8 a.m. Eastern, there's going to be major Tron update. You're a valued member of the community. We want you to spread the message. Be sure to be on the lookout for Bloomberg's article, which is going to have exclusive coverage. So they didn't tell me what it was, but I posted this in group and I said, hey, be ready. Something's coming for Tron. And sure enough, crypto entrepreneur Justin Sun finally shared a meal with legendary investor Warren Buffett. So Justin Sun sat down, had his lunch that he paid millions for with Warren Buffett. This happens all the time in crypto where these projects pump their coins. And you guys know this. Like they contact us as YouTubers and they say, hey, we got this coming out. This news will move the market. But before this news, I want to show you what I had going on. Okay, and I really think that there's a time in this market when news is going to be bigger as far as moving these coins than it is right now. A lot of these coins are being traded on technicals because you've got a lot of whales, institutions, and smart money. That's how they trade, right? Smart money is called smart money because they have an advantage and they use TA. So again, the news pumps are going to come in the future when retail latches onto these news pumps, right? And so I just want to kind of show you, this is a chart, this is a midterm hold setup that I had for Tron. And it was posted originally on January the 15th. Okay, and you can see here's your recent pump. Maybe this has something to do with the Tron news, right? This is a 4-hour chart. So this happened since the news came out. 10% increase, right? 10% of this is the news pump. But you see this rounded bottom. I want to talk to you guys about these rounded bottoms and the potential for epic gains just in general. You know, get Coinigy, get Tradingview, go when you're on Binance or whatever exchange, look at these charts. When you start to see these rounded bottoms, you're going to get these parabolic price rises to the upside. Ethereum's doing it right now. So I just want you to understand that these patterns, just simple rounded bottom, that's all you're looking for. And you get huge gains. Keep in mind that this rounded bottom, it represents the gradual price shift from bearish to bullish. So right here, the bears are winning, bears are winning, bears are winning, bears are winning, bears are winning. Here, their bears and bulls are just fighting. No one's really winning. It's just moving sideways at the bottom. And then bulls are winning, bulls are winning. So it shows a momentum shift in the price action. The rounded bottom has strong bullish potential. The expected price move equals the size of the pattern. So your target, your upside target up here is the distance of the depth of the cup or the rounded bottom. There's a very high success rate and it's relatively rare. These midterm holds and rounded bottoms, they don't happen all the time. It's seasonal. Altcoin up cycles. I need you guys to understand that this is how this market works. And I'll show you, right? So here's Bitcoin, right? Here's Bitcoin. Rounded bottoms. Let's count them. Rounded bottom, rounded bottom, rounded bottom, rounded bottom. Huge, epic rounded bottom. Rounded bottom again. Here we are. It's not even on the chart yet. Here we are, rounded bottom. So what's happening? What's going to happen in the future? Huge, epic price gains. The depth of this cup, it's coming. There's some basic stuff. You guys are going to learn some TA watching this channel, whether you like it or not. And you guys are going to make a ton of money because of it. I already know. Bitcoin just formed a golden cross, restoring faith in a crypto bull run. Now, the golden cross here that he's talking about is a golden cross of the 50 and the 100. You know, traditionally people would say that the golden cross would be the 50 and the 200, but this is a bullish cross and it's definitely a good sign. Now the 50 and the 200 is coming in the future. Altcoins break out against Bitcoin after 6 months of sideways. What do I think about this here? There's so much money to be made in these altcoins right now. They've been beaten down, demolished. We've got our teeth kicked in, altcoin lovers. We've got our teeth kicked in and handed to us, and they laughed at us. Well, guess what? It's our turn now. Whales, institutions, smart money, retail's back. We're ready to make some money in these altcoins, right? So check this out. Bitcoin's big January was tiny compared to the altcoin boom. Altcoin boom. That's exactly right. It's been an amazing month and a half. Gosh. Bitcoin's 20% gains in January are tiny. Check these out. Bitcoin SV, 187%. Bitcoin went up 20%. Bitcoin SV up 187% in the same period of time. Dash up 179. ZEC up 135. Bitcoin Gold up 107. IOTA up 89. Lisk up 89%. Bitcoin Cash up 86%. Litecoin 70% gains. XMR, Monero 61%. EOS 59%. Link 57%. Tron 44% gains. Now, a lot of people hit me up and they're like, Chris, I miss this Bitcoin move. I miss this. I'm like, man, you missed like a 7% move. These altcoins These altcoins move 7% in about 5 minutes, right? So you can make life-changing money comes quickly in these altcoins. Remember that. Don't get frustrated. If you miss a move, it's just that. It's a move that you missed. It's not a loss. Don't take losses. To treat every dollar like it's your last. A side note is this. I think I had midterm hold setups. I did not have Bitcoin SV. I did not have Bitcoin Cash. I did not have Bitcoin Gold. All of these, well, I didn't have Lisk. So I had probably 7 of these midterm hold setups in my trading group. The point is, these are all rounded bottoms like we just talked about, inverse head and shoulders, double bottoms. That's the pattern that you look for in these altcoins. So you guys can do this on your own, okay? Tezos price analysis. So it surged to $2.20, showing signs of exhaustion against Bitcoin. A lot of these altcoins, a lot of these coins, even Bitcoin looks like, hey, it needs to just cool off just a tiny bit, right? Ethereum, $212. Needs to just kind of cool off. Either flag, move sideways, cool off. Looking a little bit top heavy. Bitcoin mixing service goes offline after reportedly being found scamming users. Listen, if you're trying to hide where your Bitcoin came from, you use a mixing service, potentially they're just going to take your money, right? So I would avoid the idea completely. Ripple unlocks another 100 million XRP as traders fear a sell-off. Listen, Ripple unlocks tons of XRP all the time. Is a sell-off going to happen? I think the TA long-term, mid-term on XRP, there's some upside. Are we going to get a pullback? Potentially. But there's, man, this altcoin market, everything's changed. Ripple XRP partner MoneyGram makes foray into Singaporean market. So MoneyGram moves to Singapore. Money transmittance out of the box, any single crypto out there is going to outperform what society has available as far as money transmittance goes. If you guys haven't signed up for a VPN yet, you want to use a virtual private network. If you want to trade on Binance.com, if you want to trade on Bybit, BitMEX, but I use PureVPN every single day to stay protected in crypto. So there's new data from Tron. The overall accounts on the mainnet's more than 4.6 million. And Justin Sun states that the block height now totals 16.8 million. The amount of Tron nodes has come close to 1,000. So again, Tron is growing. Now, a lot of people don't like Justin Sun for whatever reason. At the end of the day, he's a billionaire and he's hustling. He's trying to make things happen. Chili's, CHG, and Engine launch new blockchain-based collectibles. I think this is a great fit for cryptocurrency. Like these blockchain-based collectibles, I think in the future, this is such a good fit. So Chili's is going to use Engine's blockchain development platform to create NFTs for the socios.com site. They've got some partners that span across major football clubs all over Europe. So yeah, definitely huge partnerships in crypto. DeFi funds have moved to $1 billion. So approaching this first billion, according to these calculations, the DeFi Pulse is stating that most of these locked up coins are in Ethereum and have obviously increased in price because Ethereum has done so well recently. You know, the idea of DeFi or decentralized finances, this is a large class of applications, decentralized applications that deliver services of crypto lending, crypto exchange, assets trading, derivatives trading, etc. Applications of this type strive to replace traditional banking through the blockchain-based analogs. This is going to take over the banking sector worldwide. Life-changing money is coming. We're here early. Nano came out and they said, hey, we had 13 transactions between 11 countries across 6 continents in 1 minute. Unbelievable technology. Exactly. So Stellar Lumens is now available on CoinFlip ATMs across 450 locations. Again, mainstream adoption happening right before our eyes. Australia to release national blockchain roadmap after a year of preparation. They want to make the country's wine industry, banking, and finance the key priority sectors. So Australia taking blockchain by storm. Bakkt Bitcoin futures open interest touches an all-time high. So what this means is there's a lot of people, all-time high number of trades open right now for Bakkt. So this means, again, big move potentially coming. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure and subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment below, hit the bell for notifications. Thanks so much. I will see you guys tomorrow.